Good afternoon. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection, doing a quick walk-around video on our 1995 911. This is a 993 Carrera 2 6-speed car. Midnight blue metallic is the color over cashmere leather. She does have some aftermarket custom seats that we love. I'll show those off for you in a second, but wanted to show you the lines of this car, or curves as it were, in this midnight blue because the color really pops and we love it. But really cool with the cashmere. And then check this out. I mean, the leather's great. Embossed headrest areas, perfectly matched. And also the backs are body color matched as well. Just as clean as can be. Someone's pride and joy, and it will be for the next owner as well. We will do more pictures in the outside. If we get a break in the weather, we will do more driving videos and cold start videos for you, but I wanted to give you a quick walk around just to give you an idea of the car in real garage style circumstances without the benefit of a studio. If you guys want to see anything in particular, we're happy to show that to you, video or still. Just reach out in the comments and let us know what you need, and we'll get it for you. Thanks again, guys. Happy bidding.